Standard 10, Subject English, Expansion of Idea. No man is completely happy. Happiness is a feeling that can come from variety of experiences. No man is ever completely happy, no matter how healthy, how lush, or how successful a life he is living. Ignoring all the things he has been blessed with, he focuses on the things that he doesn't have, and in his developing world, where every other day there is a new invention, a man can just get enough of it. It doesn't matter what we want. Once we get it, we want something else. Over expectations. A man expects more from the family around him. Once he does good to someone, then he expects good as well. It does not necessarily mean that the other party would treat him the same way as well. One can only help oneself. Having faith in oneself and remembering the fact this means no to expect less from oneself. It means not to live on the quote, do good, have good. Everybody wants to look good in the eyes of the society. In the society that we live, we want to feel accepted by others. We forget about our own likes and dislikes and follow the likes and dislikes of people we like, just so that we have good impression of others. Though we have our own way out, learning to accept oneself and forgetting what society has to say about one. You being you is more beautiful than you being what you are not. So, it is said that happiness is depending on the conditions and factors beyond one's control. It is impossible to attain complete happiness. Health of mind and body of a man is an important condition of happiness. A mental suffering or both seem to be common lot for the mankind. Man's happiness greatly depends on those whom has deal with daily life. Plenty does not seem to solve the problem, for more one has, the more one desires. Alexander, who would conquer the world, would weep for more worlds to be conquered. It's true that whoever has no wants has contentment, which leads to complete happiness. Perfect contentment ever remains an ideal to be realized. The sentiment of compassion in man prevents him from being happy. Buddha could not bear to see the human sufferings. He preached the universal sympathy. So life is not unmixed joy. It is well worth considering the effect of this. They make man to grow morally and spiritually. So it is always good to remind God and give her the bliss. So it said that always be happy with whatever you have. Thank you.